Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be creating a fall card. Trinity Stamps is having Fall Fun Week all week long, so don't forget to visit both the blog, Trinity's Instagram account and of course our YouTube channel for some lovely fall inspiration throughout the week. And there is also a couple of giveaways, so stay tuned. I think this week will be a lot of fun. So for my project today I pulled out a couple of older products. I have never actually used the Scarecrow Gnome stamp and coordinating dies from Trinity. I believe they were released last year. And I think they are so cute and perfect for the projects I will be creating today. I will also grab one of my, I have used it a couple of times, but it's one of those really good products that you definitely will check out. It's called the Fabulous Foliage 6x6 Stamp and Layering Stencil. I will share it here in a second. For my coloring, I wanted to go quite bright because I know I would be having a lot of green and yellow in the background. So I wanted my main character really to stand out. So I'm blending with my alcohol markers from Olo. And you can see I just pulled my marker like to rip them apart. So I could have them and do the tip-to-tip technique where I'm just blending two colors with each other a little bit more smoothly. Then I used the coordinating dies and run it through my die cutting machine, and we had our main pieces done. For the background of my card, this is that Fabulous Foliage 6x6 stamp and the coordinating stencils that I was talking about. And I also use Trinity's new small blending brushes. They are just fantastic. I will be needing to get like a ton more of those because I use blending brushes so much. I really love them. And you can see how easy that was just to blend them through the stencil with these brushes. I sped this up quite a lot, but it was really easy. And this stencil, there is quite a few in this pack, so if you, I am blending two colors together here, but if you would like to have other colors than just two colors, you definitely can do that. I have done that in previous projects. I believe this is the last stencil and I will do the same thing here. Some more yellow, some more green, and then just rip this last stencil off and you can reveal the beautiful result. I just love it. I think it turned out so good. For making my scene stand out a little bit, I decided to go ahead and cut a piece of vellum to have between my background and my characters. And that die set is called Dainty Scalloped Rectangles and is an oldie but a goodie to have in your stash, and it comes with a couple of different sizes. I chose one of the smallest one because I wanted a lot of that background to be shown as well. And I also wanted to point out that the sentiment comes from the same stamp set as we used. I just heat embossed it in white on top of black cardstock off camera. You're outstanding in the field, I think the sentiment reads. I raised my layer up a little bit to give it some more dimension, and then I carefully pressed it down, and we can attach this whole panel to a standard A2 size card front. But before I'm doing that, I'm just taking some clear sequins from Trinity and just dropping them around my scene. Really cute. You can see my little ball of goodies. The one I used the most are in that little tray from Trinity, always on my desk, so it's perfect to have for occasions like this. And I also pulled out a white gel pen and just went around my card to give it some highlights. And here we go, we have our finished project. I hope you enjoyed this card and got inspired, and don't forget to check out the rest of Fall Fun Week over at Trinity Stamps. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. Bye!